Miss Chloe Jane Randall is when given barley cereal. It's a different kind of vocal than what I was planning. Ready? Alright, did you swallow? Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. How about some more? Barley cereal. Yummy cereal. Yes? Very serious this morning. Did you swallow? Yum. Got anything else to say? What do you think? Mama. Yum, yum, yum. Yum. And that is Chloe scratching the seat. She loves to feel the different textures these days. Right, Chloe? Anything else you want to say before I turn off the camera? Ooh, gooey barley hands on the camera? I don't know, sister. Last bite for talking? Or not. Oh! Yes, happy girl. Alright, that's enough camera for Chloe. Alright. Goodbye!